Hey guys, Paula here. So this is the dram shutoff valve, and it basically will just go ahead and get attached onto your water hose just like this. And if you use a reaching wand with a breaker head like that one, you can put the wand directly onto this, so it would actually go on just like so, or you could actually just go ahead and use that breaker head itself. It detaches from there and you can actually just put it right on the end. But what's so great about these is that when you're actually watering something, you sometimes need to go ahead and turn off your water hose so that you can work on something else, or you get distracted, or the kids call you, or whatever it may be. You can actually go ahead and turn this off by picking up the valve, or you can actually go ahead and turn it on. So it allows you to be able to water whatever it is that you're needing to, and then shut it off easily with one finger. This is actually about 2 inches long, and then this little handle, because it's so wide, is easy for you to be able to go ahead and turn off and on, and it too is about 2 inches long.